On a party, you don't need to show ID. When you're a friend of Albert's, you can come right in for free.
I'm gonna freak people out.
I'm like touching the ceiling or something. Sit there. They're all eating pizza right now. They're too
I know, right? Yeah,
they're too busy to dance.
they don't want us to take pictures of them while they're eating.
Yeah.
The sexy Glen Coco. Punked out, bitches.
My hair can make some noise. You want Isn't this like the weirdest music? Look how happy he is.
Crazy Albert carving his very crazy pumpkin really fast and justly. With sharp pointy object. While I eat pizza. I'm getting tired just looking at him. Watch this pumpkin come out like extremely better than your other one.
Yeah.
Don't even know where he's going with this. That was a really fast pumpkin. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that was awesome. do. That's way better than Look at this piece of poop. And now we got this beauty. Man, that's cool, Brie.
He's so happy to be at this party. I'm having so much fun. We are awesome. You're jealous, bitches.
Tonight I have to go to someone else.
Random kick.
We need a healthy pumpkin. It's all greasy. We all like greasy. You're mine. Are you mine?
Albert butt. Oh, my sad pumpkin looks so sad.
Whoa, look. They look like skeleton fingers.
The drunk pumpkin.
Drunk.
Drunk.
It's recovering. Hi.
I like how you just go with it.
Just go with it.
Bracelet like pops it. Or hit it out of the ceiling.
Aww.
Oh man, 2 chairs.
Amazing, lost romance. Camera, Mara, and Rodan.
My friend, we were playing that in the car, so that was her car.
People are gonna think we're chain smokers. Ah! How are you popping those?
You wanna see the view from here? It's fabulous. And so are we. You disco this, disco there, and this goes to there. That's where we're at. Bloodbath Boogie Fever. Disco Bloodbath Boogie Fever. Your body's there. Bodies everywhere. I want to do that! I want to do that! Is that what it was?
No, act like you're pulling a lawnmower.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Because I cry when I do it.
Stop trying to pop it. Thought you were hitting yourself in the head.
Come on, Vogue. Let your body move to the music. You made it boobs.